What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we got an unboxing from Nike. They still got that tape. Still got that Just Do It tape. And when I first seen these, I thought they was pretty dope. People aren't really feeling them for some reason. We got the special Jordan box that comes with all the limited lifestyle type shoe with all the posters and collage. And we have the Air Jordan 3 Retro SE black multicolor dark mocha. Alright, so we got the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. You have this gum outsole, black hit, cream hit with the Jordan in black. We got a cream and black midsole, clear air unit. And then we have the bovine cow fur all over the shoe in black. In the front we have like a cheetah. Then we have the zebra on the back. We got an orange, we have like a semi-translucent orange pull tab or back tab with a black Jumpman on the hair. So the furs look like is zebra on the back. Then you have the cheetah print. Then you have the tiger, and you have the cow fur right here, and you have the leopard print, and then we have the leopard on the front. If that's what it is, y'all could comment down below and let me know. Then we have on the tongue, it looks like it feels like a satin tongue. Regular black laces, no wax or premium or nothing like that. The sock liner also looks like it's satin. The insole is just a regular red insole with a white Jumpman. No Nike Air. They should at least put the Nike Air on the back, I think, and on the insole, just like the Social Status 6s. They put the Nike Air on the back and on the insole. Behind the tongue, you have Instinct for Animal Instinct, upside down in white. And we have the informational tag, which says this shoe contain a real fur type dye, adult bovine fur origin Brazil. Get it in there. So this is real animal fur. On the sneakers app, it says something different. I don't know which is it. Is it real bovine animal cow fur, or is it something else? They got the stories mixed up. But I think these are nice, man. But people are just sleeping on them, just like the Social Status 6s, in my opinion. But I think it's something different. It's not the same like all the other threes. So you got a red Jumpman on the tongue. You got red lace hoops down here. And then on the mid panel, you got that translucent orange lace holders to match with the print right here in orange, a semi-translucent. I love the gum outsole. I think they should have put like made it a little bit premium and put like the leather sock liner. All right, let me show y'all the difference with the sock liner. So on the Social Status 6s, they do have the coffer on these also, but on the back, as you can see, they got Nike Air, and you have the Jumpman on this. And then on the insole, you have Nike Air also. On the 6 you don't. Then on the 6s you have that nice premium leather on the sock liner. On the back piece right there. I think they should have did something similar with these and put the and make the sock liner leather line. Give it a more premium feel and look. So let me know what y'all think about these and why y'all not feeling them. Comment down below and let me know why you're not feeling these. Why no one picked them up. Is the price too high, or y'all just not feeling the fur, or y'all just waiting for the top of the year? Let me know what y'all think. I think they're pretty dope though, and I think there's gonna be another release of the animal pack, which the other one is gonna be mostly leather instead of fur. So let me know what y'all think. Why y'all not feeling these, or if y'all caught or not. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for that on foot.